In this video, you will learn how to use Klarna in Walmart. First, download and set up Klarna. Install the Klarna app and sign up with your email and phone number and link your debit or credit card. Search for Walmart in the app. Open Klarna and search for Walmart to shop directly through the app. Add items and proceed to checkout. Choose the items you want to buy and go to the checkout page within the Klarna app. Choose Klarna at checkout. Tap Pay with K button, then select your preferred payment option, such as 4 interest-free monthly installments, or pay in 30 days, or pay in 90 days. Confirm the purchase. Review the total and confirm the transaction. Klarna will charge the first payment right away and schedule the rest automatically. Use Klarna in store. In the Klarna app, tap In Store. Select Walmart and create a one-time virtual card for the estimated amount. Add the card to Walmart Pay, then scan it at the register to complete your purchase. Now you know how to use Klarna at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.